Every day, modern processing plants prepare thousands of fresh chicken products using advanced automation, strict hygiene standards, and this state-of-the-art facility combines automation, food safety, and cold chain technology to deliver fresh poultry. The process begins on carefully managed poultry farms, where automated feeding, clean water systems, and climate control help maintain. Veterinary experts regularly monitor flock health to ensure strict animal welfare, food safety, and quality standards are maintained.
Specialized transport vehicles move the poultry under carefully controlled conditions, minimizing stress while maintaining strict hygiene.
Before production begins, every employee follows strict hygiene procedures, ensuring the highest standards of food safety throughout the entire facility.
The production line is designed for efficiency, hygiene, and food safety, with every stage monitored by advanced automated systems. Computer-controlled conditioning systems carefully regulate temperature to prepare the production line for efficient downstream processing. Automated equipment performs the cleaning process efficiently, while minimizing manual handling and maintaining strict hygiene standards.
Multiple washing stages remove impurities, maintaining the highest food safety and cleanliness standards. Advanced vision systems inspect every product for quality, cleanliness, and consistency before it continues through production. Specialized automated systems complete the cleaning process, while maintaining consistent food safety standards.
A final washing stage ensures every product meets the facility's strict hygiene requirements before rapid chilling. Rapid chilling quickly lowers product temperature, helping preserve freshness, quality, and food safety.
Every batch is checked to verify it has reached the required temperature before moving to the cutting department.
A final washing stage ensures every product meets the facility's strict hygiene requirements before rapid chilling.
Computer-controlled sorting systems organize products by size and production requirements before further processing.
After inspection, chilling, weighing, and sorting, the products move to the precision cutting department, where advanced robotic systems prepare.
Precision robotic systems carefully separate fresh chicken breast fillets, producing uniform cuts while maintaining strict food safety. Automated equipment separates fresh chicken wings with consistent precision, preparing them for packaging and distribution.
Fresh chicken drumsticks are separated using automated precision cutting systems to ensure consistent size and excellent product quality.
Fresh chicken thighs are carefully separated and prepared for premium retail packaging. Advanced AI systems inspect every fresh chicken cut for color, size, weight, and overall quality before packaging.
Fresh chicken products are vacuum sealed to preserve freshness, extend shelf life, and maintain product quality.
Every package of fresh chicken receives traceable production information for complete food safety monitoring.
Robotic systems organize fresh chicken packages into shipping cartons for efficient logistics. Industrial robots stack cartons of fresh chicken products for secure transportation and cold storage.
Blast chilling rapidly cools packaged fresh chicken products to maintain freshness and ensure food safety. Packaged fresh chicken products are stored inside temperature-controlled warehouses before nationwide distribution. Every pallet of fresh chicken products is prepared for refrigerated transport, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken from factory to supermarket.
Vacuum-packed fresh chicken products are loaded into refrigerated trucks, ensuring the cold chain remains uninterrupted.
Refrigerated transport keeps fresh chicken products at safe temperatures, from the factory all the way to supermarkets and food distributors.
Fresh chicken products arrive at regional distribution centers, where automated systems organize shipments for supermarkets and retail stores.
Fresh chicken products are carefully displayed. They are ready for customers to purchase with confidence. Modern processing, advanced automation, and strict quality control ensure that every fresh chicken product reaches consumers safely and.
Thank you for exploring how fresh chicken products are processed in a modern factory. Join Megafactory Universe for another behind-the-scenes